So, going over to my buddy's house, got an unusual passenger with me. That shit heavy, I can't take it out by myself, so it's coming for the ride. R32! Fucking dope. So we got the motor out. Hector had to go home because he wasn't feeling too good. He got drunk last night. But Michael and Christopher helped me get the motor out. So we're about to start pulling this one. See if we can do this in one day. Alright, first thing first.
I'm the captain of the ship. For those that don't know me, let me tell you like this. They call me to the back. Big click. None of my slaps on the street, so they been moving me, never lying on my dick. Push a hard line, never on some fake shit. Ask about a nigga there, tell you that I'm sick. Get tight told it. Both up the road.
No. Here, bitch. Oh, shit. First thing first, electronics. Mike and Chris were talking shit, saying I don't know how to unplug the harness, because I don't. But I'm going to try to do this shit, so I'll come back to y'all when I give up and see how much I can get done. Alright, it's hot, I'm tired. We got all the shit necessary unplugged. We just unplugged it from the towers because we're taking the whole swap out. And I have a other harness. So, while I catch my breath for a second, Mike is helping me drain the coolant, set everything up. About to take the plug out. Oh, it's already out? Coolant's draining. My neighbor let me borrow a drain pan with a little fucking spout, so it'll be easy. Lower it? Alright, we gotta work on the car again. But yeah, fucking draining fluids now, on to step 2. We got the radiator out, the slave cylinder out, got everything unplugged, got my city light all cut, gotta redo it. We're about to drain the transmission. We got one last bolt down there that Mike's fucking hand was in the way. It's right in there. We gotta take that little torque mount out. And then I think from there we can start lowering the car, pulling the motor up. Okay. Welcome back. It's been a while. We got a lot of shit done. The tranny's drained. I left the oil in, cause whatever. We got the axle nuts broke. Gotta take the axles out. What else, Hector? Oh, shift linkage. You got the shift linkage right?
Yeah, got that out too.
What else you do?
That's all.
Oh, what else do we need to do?
Take the axles off.
On the headers.
The headers and the exhaust.
So axles, headers, and it's out of there. So getting close, getting real close. Contact Michael Smith Photography. You know, if you need your photography skills.
I'm only the only person doing this.
All right, so Mike ain't been doing shit.
What?
All right, we got.
You ain't been doing shit.
We got the exhaust off, the shift linkage off. The axles are out. I think we're pretty much down to motor mounts and fucking pulling the bitch out.
And then getting calls Junior. And then I've been doing everything. My hand's dirtier than yours.
Look at this, my whole body's dirty.
Rolling around on the ground.
You fucking lying.
That nigga shady.
Okay, fucking. Oh, moment of truth, man. I probably look like a hot mess out here sweating and shit. Boy, Mike been dedicated.
Dedicated one.
Yeah.
Buy him some food. Helping you out.
Hector been out here supervising like crazy. He got the fucking shift linkage and shit, but we're gonna lower the motor down onto that little wood thing. They're gonna come back. Lower down to the little wood crate, undo the mounts, and then pick the car back up.
What did I say?
And that's it. That's okay. I'm gonna lower the jack. Ooh.
shit go down hella quick, bro.
Fuck. There you go, kinda. Sheesh.
Oh, it's not even down yet. Now it's
Come
down.
on, man.
Now it's down. Yeah, the motor on the fucking.
On the cherry picker though, huh?
Yeah, but it's on. When you lift it up, we could just hold it.
Right. All right. Now we gotta take the motor mounts off. Oh shit. Oh fuck, I still need those too. Shit.
What are you doing, dog? Engine.
All right, here we go. We're pulling this shit up. I think we're gonna be good. What'd you forget? The linkage? You already undid it.
No, bring it down.
Okay. Back to raising the car.
What's the tower?
I told you, nigga. You don't listen to Mike.
You don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
Oh,
What is
look.
it pouring out?
He's R. Kellying us, man.
Cooling, nigga. I told you that's what was gonna happen, nigga.
You did tell us that's what was gonna happen.
Just fuck it. You don't need that engine no more. Lift it. Let it break. Fuck it.
No, it's not gonna break.
Just let it fall. Fuck it.
It's just leaning now. That's it.
Oh, bro,
Oh, that's your phone. Hey,
I was like, bro, you just tossed my shit.
And it's caught on camera.
Yeah.
oh, nigga, it's a line right here, bro.
Oh, stop.
There we go.
I didn't even see that.
It's
bro.
good? Keep
Yeah.
going?
Keep going. You good?
That's all.
Alright, we're gonna drag it like
Hey,
this, bro.
hey,
Hey,
hey.
we're gonna drag it like this, bro. 'Cause it's already, the link's already here, right?
That boy getting that drone footage and shit.
Good.
Hard as hell. Nigga R. Kelly in it.
Dude, my fucking feet hurt, bro. I need to get some soles, some insoles for my
Yeah?
shoes.
I got mine from the doctor.
From Dr. Scholl's?
No, actual doctor. Like they motored it to my feet, nigga.
Oh, Manny, for real?
Yeah.
I don't got that kind of
That
white people
doctor's-
insurance.
No, I got it on my dash.
Just get a tamale, bro. You put it in the freezer and you microwave it for like the next 2 years. That
Step
bitch
on
in
it
there.
every day?
Hell yeah.
And then at the end you eat it.
This nigga thinks I'm playing.
Hell yeah.
How you think where you think we get cottage cheese from, boy?
Yo, that boy, Mike.
Oh, Mike,
In
bro.
All Mike.
preschool.
Real nigga shit.
Mike and Jesse pulled that shit out from underneath. Got the fucking single cam out. Hector didn't do nothing. All Hector does is supervise, bro. Yeah, that shit's out.
Shit.
My car up in the air. Well, everything's out. Car's back on the ground. Five's a bitch. About to take a food break, go get some burritos. And we'll come back. Alright, well, coming back last night turned to this morning. But we're back. The motor's out of the way. Single cam's out of the way. GSR's chilling over here. Chris ended up coming over and mating it, the tranny. My forehead's on fire. I tried putting water on it. Didn't really help. I got sunburned pretty bad. But my neighbor let me borrow his pressure washer. I'm gonna try to clean out this engine bay, make it a little bit prettier. A lot of dust and stuff. I should probably put a bag over that, but I think I'll be alright. So I'm gonna wash it. Hector went to the store and got some purple powder. I'm about to spray the bay down. Leaving me hanging big time. Yeah. Got it this time. Life moving, I ain't stuck, but feel slow down. Get on top and conquer all these hoes, man, I'm so down. Just need to speed it up, don't got need for double cups. Just be a man about my business, get in my way, get double cut. I'm doubled up and bet all of my money on one chance, I take it. Never had the confidence within, bitch, I made it. Like Drigo and Little Anna, these beats, check the degrees, and these suckers want beef. And we swarming like bees, drop to your knees if you talking to me. It's is double Z's, translate, bitch. I am the king. We ain't here to play no games, we just reign supreme. And I ain't got diamonds on, but they noticing me. And I ain't got no gold teeth, but they noticing me. I come through and drop heat. Now it's noticed. Alright, this shit's all washed off. I didn't do a really good job, but it's good enough. I ain't no show car, but I got hella the grunge and nasty shit out. You know, let it dry for a little bit, and I don't know. I think we gotta prep the block some more. Maybe start running the wires for the O2 and the sensors and shit. I mean the gauges. But we're pretty close. Putting this motor in. Honda. Came to Honda to get some manual transmission fluid. We were gonna get the gaskets, but I think I'm gonna get them from AutoZone instead because their gaskets are different. Hector said they're like paper, so I'm gonna just get the ones from AutoZone. Try to get some higher grade ones, but we're gonna go in here, get these parts, and then we out. All right, we're back. We got the transmission fluid, we got oil, we got manifold gasket, exhaust gasket, or intake gasket, exhaust gasket, fucking new radiator hoses, and I think that's everything. Oop, almost dropped my phone. I'm about to button this bitch together and put it in. Oh yeah, and the engine bay came out alright. There's still a lot of fucking dust and shit because, you know, I didn't go and wipe it down, but it's a lot cleaner where it matters, and it don't got all that dirt and nasty shit, so looks a lot better. Hector got the intake manifold on, but everything's all bolted down. About to start plugging in this harness, getting it ready to drop in. Okay, if you can't tell, it's a lot later in the day. Gone through a lot of, oh shit, I need this, and oh fuck, I forgot that. But I think we finally have everything all together. Everything is pulled out of the way in the bay. Hector and Mike hooked up the whole fucking harness. Got everything plugged up there. We just got the bolts for our post mount for the mount because I didn't have those. And I think we're ready to start lifting this thing up. So fucking here we go. It's go time. Big floating right now. Sure would suck if that thing came down. Chris out here putting on these mounts. Getting close. Yeah. Woo! Boom. Damn it. One mount on, still holding it up by the cherry picker. But god damn it, that motor's in there. How you feeling?
Fuck out of here.
He don't give a fuck. No, the alternator's not on yet. Okay. Buttoning up the last couple things, but we're almost fucking there. Okay, update. So the motor's hanging on its own weight, sitting on the mounts. Don't have a T-bracket because the T-bracket I thought I had was the EM1, so that doesn't work. Don't have a dizzy. My mechanic just texted me, and my dizzy wires are all ripped and fucked. So the dizzy I thought I had damn near isn't gonna work. So I don't think I'm starting it today.
Very close.
But yeah, it's like 90% done. Mike and Heck out here been putting in that fucking work. We've been getting along pretty good, but it's just those unknown unknowns, man. It's the shit you don't know. I thought I had everything right, but I didn't. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. We're gonna clean up, fucking push the car back in the driveway, but it's swapped. It's in there. The tranny on and everything. I don't want to put none of the headers on or anything yet because we still got to get it under for the T-bracket, the alternator, the shift linkage. But yeah, it's together. It's almost there. Pretty soon we'll put in the oil and the axles and the tranny fluid and all that bullshit, and the exhaust from this car that'll go on too. But anyway, I guess that's everything. Oh, I have my little saying I be saying now. What is it? Eat right, sleep right. No. Oh yeah, so until next time, live right, eat right, sleep tight, and get faster. Because that's what we doing out here. So I'll catch y'all. Yeah, I be shooting like a turret, tire scurry when I hit the gas, always in a hurry, hitting top speeds, vision become blurry, but I still see the picture, so don't ever be worried. I hit the brakes when the time is right, don't have hindsight, only moving up in this light, that's one direction, very narrow angle for sight, and I'm only one dude, but I get paid like 5 mics. From now on, the only moving is forward, and like I packed up behind it, did it by my own accord. What's in store? Let me peek in the future, hopefully we overboard, but we might have to shoot you when money's involved. There's